If you're someone who follows your nose, the scent of pastry and cream may sweep you into the warm embrace of Pelligra cakes. The pasticceria is lined with authentic Italian sweets and mouth-watering treats. Head pastry chef Santino Pelligra established the store in 1985, and his son David is now at the helm. David, Pelligra Cakes is a family business. Tell me who works here.
So we have a mix of a whole lot of staff here. But from the family we have myself, my older brother, my younger sister, my grandmother's here as well, and my dad's still the boss. He works in the back.
So it's every generation?
Every generation all here.
Pelligra has been an invaluable part of Main Street, but there's plenty of room for a newcomer. This is Pastel and Bloom, and it's a haven for cake decorators and admirers alike. Enroll in a decorating course and learn from the experts like owner Vanessa, or have her team mould you a masterpiece. And what's so great about this spot here?
So we've got a really beautiful community vibe. I love that, there's a lot of young families coming through, and they still have, the older generation as well. And just really friendly people, and just loving the area, knowing the area makes me feel comfortable as well.
There's also something for the thrill seekers at Watermarc Leisure Centre. Here it's all about the pools, aqua playground and 2 giant water slides.
I'm ending my journey in Greensy with a ride on the pipeline, and it's going to be epic. So what are you waiting for? Shop to it in Greensy.